So good?
Yes.
Okay. Hello. I heard that we have newcomers tonight, so feel free to find me later. We can chit chat, we can talk about FlutterFlow, but also other things as well. Um, I am I'm Jihoo. I am a senior data analyst at Warner Brothers Games. So if you play video games, we can also talk about that too. So tonight I'm gonna talk about FlutterFlow. I know we have Flutter developers here as well, but FlutterFlow is more about no coders. So even if you are a developer, maybe you can use this FlutterFlow for quick prototyping. But tonight let me focus on more for non-coders here, because I'm a FlutterFlow organizer tonight. So let me introduce quickly FlutterFlow. FlutterFlow is a low-code or no-code platform, many people say, because you can still you can still code using FlutterFlow using custom code features. But the FlutterFlow team prefers to call this platform as a visual development platform. You'll see why it is called like that. You, so it works basically drag and drop of widgets in the empty canvas. So I will show you how it works quickly. So when you start FlutterFlow, you will see this screen. So here we have a left side, we have some widgets. On the middle side, we have an empty canvas. And on the right side, we have properties section. And just literally, I can just drag and drop a widget. And then on the right side, I can make some changes with that widget. For example, I can change this text directly here, hello world to hello maybe people. And if you cannot see well, I can change the size of the font like this. And I can also change the color if I want, like this. So at the beginning of using this platform, I recalled Photoshop for the first generation. You don't need to code, but you just manually do things. So, and then when you click the publish button, and your mobile web will be deployed on your browser or on your phone. It's very easy to use. It's basically this page can be shown, can be displayed on your phone. So I can show you one more widget. For example, I added button here. Of course, I can change the name of the button, like click here. It's easy. And then I can also change the color like this or this one, and change the font size. And the button is also automatically getting bigger, fitting the size. Also, on this action tab, I can add some action. So let's say when when a user tap on this button, it navigates to next page. Then what will happen is when I click the button, it works to the next page. So it works like this. So I already thought this is very intuitive and easy way to develop something, drag and drop instead of writing some code. But people can find more easier way, more simpler way, and I can show you what it is. It is about using templates. Let's say I want to create a page for my mobile app, but I have no idea on what it looks like. I know the feature that I want to add, but I don't have any idea on colors or design, visual designs, and I'm lazy to think about it yet. In that case, we can just click this plus button, and then you have many templates that are already available. So I'm a foodie, I like food, and I recently created a mobile app for gathering some information about good restaurants in Montreal. And then I used this page literally. So I clicked my theme and resto list, I name it, and create page. Then you have the page. And you already have this template and everything, right? Images, list, cards, title, description. Having this, you just edit what you want. For example, I prefer the title resto lists, and it is done. And my favorite food is, I'm Korean, my favorite food is tteokbokki. I don't know you guys know tteokbokki, but I like it. So I want to use the image of tteokbokki instead of this salad. In that case, you can just go, you click the image to select it, to select the widget, and we go to the right side to set up. I will select asset here, and then image, and I can upload, maybe I can use this one, upload my downloaded picture. Yeah. Then I have this customized image, my image. I'm gonna just tteokbokki. Yeah, but this is not about selling food, right? This is just for my hobby. This is just for me. I don't need the price here. What should I do? I just select it and delete key. It's gone. It's very simple. Or click it and right click and delete icon, and it works. And then the same logic, I can set an action to go to the next page. So let me show you how to do it. So to go to the next page, we need a next page, right? So let me quickly create one. Maybe this one. Now I have this details page. This is not about class, so I'm gonna change it to resto detail. And again, I'm gonna use the same image asset. And once I already uploaded one image, once I already used one image in FlutterFlow, on the next time FlutterFlow shows you the image, it is already ready. So I can use the same image. It looks very spicy, and it is spicy. And then class name, I don't need this class name. I'll just change it to food name or restaurant name. Restaurant name. Yeah, the restaurant name is Chicken Plus. And maybe here I can put the food name. And do I need this long description? No. Then what should I do? I just press the delete button. I don't need this either. I press the shift key and select it all and delete. So basic, or how about this? Just, okay. I select them all. delete. Huh. Okay, but I need this button because I want to set up something with using this button. How about this? When a user tap on this button, they can go to the actual website of the restaurant. It should be good. Then maybe this time let's do it together. I can change the text, the button name, which string should be good. Click here. Okay. Click here. Navigate? Okay. Navigate to.
You tap and it goes to.
Okay, just navigate. Okay. Navigate. Color? Orange, maybe, matching the tteokbokki color. How about font? Does it look good? This is my personal favorite, the font, this font. And yeah, looks good. Okay. Then it's time to add some actions. So you already saw how we can add actions. Let's try 2 actions here. One action is navigate to this detail page when we tap on the card of the little tteokbokki card. And second action is when you tap on this navigate button, you go to the website of the restaurant. Let's go this one first. First, I select the card and I go to the action tab, add action, on tab, this is the condition, on tab, navigation, navigate to, was it the restaurant list? Navigate to details. And then in this page, I will add an action with this button, going to action tab, add action, on tab is the condition, but this time it's not navigation, it's about share and lunch URL. And we just copy paste the URL of the restaurant.
I click on the navigate button.
Oh, right. Thank you. Okay, and we'll see what it works. This little eye icon is about preview. So before test mode, before entering test mode taking time, or before deployment, you can test some features you made using this eye button, eye icon. Okay. Rest of list, go to the preview, and I click this card and it goes to the next page. And when I click this button, ta-da! So yes, this is how you develop your mobile app using ready-to-use template. But nowadays people are getting more lazier than this. They need something more simpler and easier. Why you feel it? Because
no, it's I spent 3 weeks working on some hackathon and I learned to write code, so I'm there now,
But in my case, it is true that I'm getting lazy since AI technologies are in. So it is funny that I feel lazier. The lazier I feel, my AI tools are more smarter. So let's use some AI feature in the FlutterFlow to create a page, maybe a task organizer app with some sticky notes. That's it. I will not give you any more details. I'm lazy. I'm just done here. And we'll see what FlutterFlow can give us.
So it's gonna not only a page, multiple page.
As an in production FlutterFlow, it provides more about a single page.
A single.
Yes, but I will show you how to create a bunch of pages for one prompt. But the thing is that it takes time. Do you see the loading icon? So I wanted to save your time. I prepared this slideshow, templates. So we clicked it, and I wrote that prompt, and I clicked. It takes time, and then I got this result. So this is for one page, but you see there are different color palettes here. So you can select them. They are already good matches to considering the good balance of colors, shades. And then when you just click on this insert page button, then you will have this result on your canvas. And then on this, you can continue to work. You can change the widgets, or you can change the colors, the size, the text, exactly that I have done in the traditional way of development. It's gone. So yeah, this is about using AI feature to create one page. But recently, we learned that there is a new feature with FlutterFlow actually. It is called FF Designer, so FlutterFlow Designer. It is a standalone AI feature separated from FlutterFlow. So you can Google FlutterFlow Designer and you will find this web page. So in this website, you can prompt anything. So I will do the same thing to compare the result. What was it? A task organizer with some sticky notes. I'm obsessed to. Oh, sorry.
Is there like for legacy app, is there a way to just have like an MCP and just talk to your current existing project?
Not at the moment.
Not at the moment. I mean, that's like one of the features you would like, be able to use FlutterFlow and be like, I want to interact with my app and just add feature. You know?
But we see how the design.
Yeah, but like, why do you need to build another project when you could have just integrated the AI, right?
We can, yeah, I think we can talk about later more details.
No,
Yes. So because I couldn't really hear you well here from here, so okay. So it took just 10 to 15 seconds, I think, right? The FlutterFlow in production AI feature in FlutterFlow, it took like 3 to 4 minutes. It took time, but with this one, it took like 10 to 15 seconds, and it created 8 pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 8 pages. And you already know that my prompt was very simple, and I didn't give any details, but I already received this final version of app design, which was quite, impressive.
This is try multiple projects, multiple prompts. Do they look the same? Do they like all the different projects you generated? The UI is it almost the same, or it tried to do different color, different shape, different design?
You mean like when I use the same, exactly same prompt, or?
No, just in general. In general.
I don't know. I tried it only this one, so
Oh.
we can test it.
Okay.
Yeah, I tried with this task organizer with sticky notes, because maybe if you're my LinkedIn friends, you already know that I am obsessed on this sticky notes organizer these days. So I created many versions of sticky notes things using Google AI Studio, Anti-Gravity, and Cursor, and now FlutterFlow, so that I can compare the results. So, so what I liked was that on the theme part, can you see it? So for now, sorry, the default result is generated theme. But when I select this one, for example, playful and chunky, and slightly the design is different, it changes. How about soft and organic? Okay. How about luxe and editorial? Huh. So it provides different designs, visual designs for your app. So as you already saw, it's not a dramatically different format or design layout, but it changes slightly, but different feels. I think it is more closer to different feels than the visual design itself. And I also like this part. When you create or when you design a mobile app page, sometimes you feel like you have a headache already about colors. When you combine some colors, this looks very ugly. But when you thought a separate color, it was good. But when you combine them, it's ugly. So it is also hard to find a great match or balance of the colors. But when you select one of these themes, it automatically provides the good balance of color palettes. So you can just pick one of them. So I really, really liked that part. But using FlutterFlow Designer, as you see when I clicked it, right away you see some the widget tree on the left side. But you cannot really make big changes here. So maybe you can edit some text. Yes, I can change the sticky. I'm done with sticky thing. Note. So I can change the text. This kind of minor change is possible, but adding new widget or other big changes, no, it's hard. It is not supporting that level yet. But instead, when you go to the menu, you can export it to the FlutterFlow. So I will select this option, export to FlutterFlow. And when I go to the FlutterFlow, and when I have, let's say I have this blank page, I just press the Control V.
Can you do back and forth, like going from designer to the other one, or is it like one way?
It was one way, FlutterFlow Designer to FlutterFlow.
That's
Because Designer is the like sidekick, the side feature. So main one is a FlutterFlow.
because like like if you can't really do prompting and then you're like I have an idea and then you do it there and like you go in FlutterFlow and like you go in FlutterFlow and you're like I want something again, you're stuck having to rewrite the part in FlutterFlow. That seems hard.
Yeah, that's interesting. Maybe we can explore a bit on the FlutterFlow to see if it has that kind of export feature from FlutterFlow to FlutterFlow Designer. But I think FlutterFlow Designer is the newer one, right?
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, I think it is working mainly in FlutterFlow. Yeah, I knew. Always demo is not very successful. So that's why I prepared this deck. So yeah, when you try to paste it, like Control P or Command P on Mac, you will see this pop up, and you click this Apply Designer theme, and you'll have it on the FlutterFlow, and you can continue to work on this page. So yes, I received this page as well. You can also change the light and dark theme. And as I did, you can add a new widget like this. And then the rest of the part is that like normal development using FlutterFlow, like add and edit widgets, and then develop it as a mobile app or web app. FlutterFlow supports both of them. So for example, when you go to the gear icon on the last one and select mobile development, you can deploy as to the App Store, or you can also go to the menu, the right side, and you can download it as APK file for Android. Or I really like to use the web app deployment as well. You see here web deployment. When you go to this web deployment and just click the publish button, your app is on your browser. So it's very simple. And it is also very useful to test your app quickly on your phone as well, using this link, like opening your browser on your phone. It works as well. So yes, it was my demo. If you are